Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to backup and restore Kubernetes application using Velero. So this is my application which deploy an nginx application, and the files are hosted on a NFS share. So everything necessary to create the share are specified on this YAML file. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to create my S3 bucket. Let's jump into AWS console. This is my user account. This one will be used with Velero to access my S3 bucket. But first, let's create that bucket. So I will create a bucket. Okay, so this is my bucket name. I will keep all the default options. Now I have to specify the correct permissions for my Velero to access this bucket to store my backup. So you have to copy that JSON file or that JSON specification, which allow you to access this bucket with the necessary rights. Okay, next step is to download and install Velero. So I'm grabbing the binary. So basically, Velero is a binary that you install on your machine, and you have to do some configuration like I'm showing here. You have to create a credential file and specify the access key ID and secret key for your account that I have showed you on the beginning. And with that file, I will install Velero. So the only requirement here is to have a kubeconfig file already set up on your machine. Okay, so Velero is installed. I will now create my application using that YAML file. Application created. And now I'm going to copy an index file inside that NFS share, so I can export it and use it inside my application. Okay, let's create the screen. So let's verify our installation. So this is our pod. And now I have to copy that index file inside my NFS share. Okay, let's check the service. I will copy the port number and try to test if my application is reachable. Okay, seems to be good. So next step is to annotate your application and specify what are you going to backup. So here I'm specifying that I will backup the www volume, and I'm going to create a backup with Velero. Okay, let's check the AWS console. Refresh. And you can see that I have a directory named backup. Inside that directory, I have my application name and all the necessary file to recreate that application. So you can check the backup status using that command, and you can see that it's completed. And you can view all the backup available using that command. So now I'm going to delete my application and delete that index file. Okay, I have deleted the application. Now my index file. Let's verify that I have nothing on the cluster. Okay, so application isn't running anymore. No pods, no persistent volume, and no persistent volume claim. Okay, so now I'm going to try to do a restore. Okay, this I missed the application name. I have to specify it like this. This is the name of the backup. Okay, we can check the restore status with this command. And you can see that the phase is in progress. Okay, so the restore is completed. And let's verify that I have my pods. It is running. My persistent volume. My persistent volume claim. And everything seems to be good. So now I'm going to check the service port. So this is the new port number that I have to use to access my application. And here we go. So I hope that you find this video helpful. If that is the case, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.